Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add maintenance or coming soon feature to your WooCommerce store. Do you know why it's important to add this feature to your online store? It is because you need to let the search engine optimization know that your online store is currently down, so your site's SEO won't be affected by the downtime. Plus, it is a good user experience, so your customers or your potential customers would know what's going on with the online store, so they will expect when that would happen and they would know that your site will be back soon. Before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. But for those who are brand new to my channel, I am Bully. I create tutorials focusing on e-commerce web designs using WordPress and WooCommerce. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. I also encourage you guys to visit my website for my web design consulting services, and I also have a private group on Discord server for you guys to join if you're interested. It's always free to join. Join our private community. I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Let's go to the dashboard of the demo store. Go to plugins, click the add new button on the top. Search for coming soon. And that's the plugin by SeedProd that we will install. Click the install and activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, it will redirect you to the SeedProd's dashboard under pages, but we need to go back to our plugin section so we can turn on the auto updates for the plugin to make sure that it will update this plugin automatically when it is time to update for us. Let's go back to the SeedProd pages again. Right now, the demo store is on maintenance mode. You could see the orange button on the top right saying maintenance mode active. You could click the button at the bottom of its section that says active to disable it, and then the orange maintenance mode active will disappear. I added this plugin to my demo store for my other tutorials, so I still have old data. That's why there's no setup a maintenance mode page button. Click the button to select a maintenance mode page. If you want more fancy pages, you just sign up for the newsletter. The form is on the top, and the third page looks pretty good too. But in this tutorial, I will choose the second page instead. This is the template. Click the lock picture to change a new picture if you like. Click on that icon to go to your media library to pick a new picture or upload a new picture. And click select. And click on the title, and you could modify the text right here or add more right here, whatever you want. When you scroll down a little bit, you can align the text to left or right or center. You can adjust the font size right here. You could change the header 1, the header 2, or 3, or 4. And when you click on the Advanced tab, you can change the color of the text. The text shadow, you could have these options to add a little shadow to make the text pop out like a 3D. That's the margin around the text itself. If you don't want to adjust it, just leave it alone, it's fine too. You can change to a different font type by clicking edit right after the typography option right there. In this case, I would select Oswald. And you could increase the font size or decrease the font size over there, or even the line height. And you could see what's going on or how the text has changed right there. The letter spacing. You could play around with these settings and then you can decide how to design this page or the text for your site. And that's a different styles of the text that you could choose. I will choose the AG. Let's switch back to the Content tab. That's another button. It's called Insert Dynamic Text. This one is for the Pro version. So we can't use that yet unless you upgrade to the Pro version to unlock more features. If you don't have a budget for that, the free version is fine too. It has a lot of selection and options for you to choose from to create a fancy or a nice looking page for your maintenance mode page. When you want to add a new section, just click the plus button right there underneath each section, and these are all the standard blocks or elements that you could drag and drop to the page. For the advanced features or blocks, you have only 2 options there for the free version. So let's try to use the contact form element. You need to install a contact form plugin first and set it up first before you could use this one. In this case, I already have a contact form. And then you could select your contact form and let's see how it looks like. Well, that's just a demo, so I'm gonna delete this block. And next, let's try adding a button. And then you could modify the text or add a link right here if you want to direct your customers somewhere else. And you could add your own icon right there. You could pick out any size that you want. The next tab is for the templates. They have different types of templates here. Let's pick a button. This is the yellow button. It doesn't look good to me. Well, you decide, it's up to your branding too. Make sure that you choose colors that go together with your branding colors or use your selected color palettes. Let's check out the next tab, which is Advanced. You could choose a new font family right there, or change the letter keys. Just play around with the settings and let's see how your button will look like. Adding all the paddings, you see when I slide it out, it adds more padding around the text. make the button, this one, the border radius, it makes the corners of the button rounder. And the button style, ghost, they have many options that you can play around with. Link, 2D, it looks nice. Text shadow, make the text pop a little bit. The shadow and the top margin to make this, add more space to separate the title on the top and between the button. Let's go back to the content tab to modify the text. This is only an example, so let's delete it. And when you hover over the whole thing, that's the entire section of the page, that you can add a background color right there. Pick whatever you want here and let's see if it's gonna look good. Oh, that doesn't look good. Green. And then you could add a hex code of your custom color right there too. Let's clear it out. And if you want to try the gradient, it's right here, and let's see how it looks like. But for the gradient colors, you need to pick 2 colors. The first color, just click right there. The second color, just click right there and choose one, and let's see how it will look like. You could play around with all these settings. Just close it out when you're done. That's the green and yellow. That looks like a mango. Okay, back to the video. And then you could add a picture right there too, that you could upload directly or pick directly from your media library, or you just can link directly to a stock photo provider, or you just want to have a solid background color style, just click that button. And I think the background right now is kind of white, and then you could use a stock image if you want, or you could play around with the width. And let's see how it looks like. Let's see if you add a background image to this page or that section. Let's see how it's gonna look like. That width doesn't work because this picture is quite small. Its width is not 1,000 pixels or something like that, so you have to turn down the width a little bit. If you make a full screen, that picture is too small. It doesn't look good. Fix width. And then you have to decrease the width to make it fit. Let's delete the picture. It's just a demo. Let's see the advanced tab. And when you click right up there, you switch back to the blocks. When you switch back to the sections, well, mostly they are for the Pro version. You could see the Pro icon on the top right of each template, so we're not gonna deal with that. And once everything looks good, just click the save button on the top right. Let's click the preview button right next to it to see how it's gonna look like on a browser. This is how my design would look like. This is just like a demo store, so I don't need that much. And then just close out that tab. Once you're done, just close that out by clicking that X icon. And let's check out the coming soon mode. Let's turn it on into active. Click the edit page or set up a page for that if you just recently installed the plugin. There are only 3 free templates. Again, I will shoot the second template again. If you want more, sign up for the newsletter up there. The form is up there, and then you will get free 10 templates down here. And then you could unsubscribe from the newsletter later on if you want. It's up to you. Let's select the second template again so I could show you guys around. And this is the template for the coming soon mode. There's nothing much here, it's just only a demo store, so I just have the same design. You guys could choose the third template here where it has a rocket on all the text, but you could design your own from a scratch right here. Connect to, there are for the pro versions, obviously, except the Google Analytics. So you don't have to worry about this section at all. Just ignore it. Let's go to the page settings. That's for the page title. So the SEO would know if you have a page title, what is this page all about? And then this currently is in the draft, and then you could publish it. If you want to support SeedProd link, they have affiliate link right here for you if you want to earn some money. If you want a new template for your coming soon page, just click the Shoots template button at the bottom to override your current page. It looks good so far. Access control. This is for the pro version only, the SEO. If you want to, I don't think you need to fill out this section at all because it's a coming soon mode. Once it looks good, just click the save button on the top right and go back to the design page. Let's click the preview button to see how it's gonna look like. Here it is. Nice, simple, and plain. It's just for my demo store, so it's not gonna get fancier than this. Just close that out. I need to get back to the dashboard to turn back my maintenance mode on because this is for the demo purpose only. That's pretty much it. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about adding a maintenance mode or a coming soon mode feature to your WooCommerce store. If that feature will be helpful to your store somehow, I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. Alright, if you find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here to watch my video. I appreciate your support a lot. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.